This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Cindy Caskey. Enjoy superior Lynnhaven Beach, Chesapeake Bay living from your doorstep and come in from the sand to one of the nicest and largest pools at any condominium in Virginia Beach. Unit number 607 features a unique floor plan, the largest square footage of any one bedroom with an open kitchen into one of the largest living areas with 2 sliding glass doors adding extra light. Bay view from the extra large, double, patio. Condo fee includes a game room, pool and pool house, fitness room, putting green, tennis courts, master insurance, security, water and sewage, ground maintenance and of course a private beach entrance. Bring your kayak and love your new life. For more information, review the details below.